All right, everyone, so this is how you change the battery out of a Lexus RX 350. And this is more specifically for a 2013 to be exact. I'm sure the models of this generation are the same. So to start, this little switch right here, this little lever, just going to grab it and pull it out, okay? Then if you see this little lever, okay, there's a little notch in there. We're going to pry it open using the key. Okay, that was pretty simple. Then you're going to open it up, and I'm actually going to flip it so we can find the battery. Okay, and then this is where the little tool, I'm using a flathead small little screwdriver here to pry up the old battery. That is dead, there we go. And the new battery, looks like that, okay, CR1632. That just goes right back in. And then you should be all set to go. And you just want to snap two pieces back together, slide your key back in, and you should be good to go.